What's up, folks? So today I am taking a look at Ubuntu 2404 Noble Numbat. I just have to say I'm not really a fan of Ubuntu. I haven't seen Ubuntu in about 10 years. I don't know anything about it. I've seen a few releases that were, well, less than optimal. I'll just say it that way. But this is a major release, a long-term service release. So I thought maybe I would just take a look at it, see what's going on with it, see if I like it anymore. And I'm also just kind of interested to see where like the Unity Desktop went, see if it's actually usable anymore, see if I would actually like it anymore, that sort of thing. So we'll be looking into that as well. So let's open up my virtual machine without further ado. Okay, so I already have Unity installed. I don't have Ubuntu installed because I wanted to do it on camera. I really wanted like people to see this. So let's just go ahead and do that. Ubuntu 20. Now I don't know what to expect. I do know a couple of different things. 8192. I'm going to give it a few cores. That's great. I do want to custom. No, that's okay. Okay. So before I actually do get started here, okay, so I have to do a couple of things because initially I was going to do this on camera and this actually stalled on me, to be honest. So there's that. So anyway, I honestly just wanted to show everybody this, and it's already making decisions for me. Let's just go with it. Why not? I'm thinking it's gonna hang on me again, but maybe not. If it does, then I'll just go back and fix it. All right. There we go. There we go. And I think this just hung on me. Oh, maybe not. One second. Okay. That looks like that just hung on me. So let's no good. No problem. Let's go ahead and force that off. That just hung on me. Okay. Nothing like a bunch of nonsense. So there's a couple of things that I found that I needed to do to prevent that from happening. One is just to open the OpenGL. So if I have 3D rendering, then this should work theoretically. Now this is going to, I'm going to have to change my boot options. And let's go ahead and do that. Okay. So, right. Yes. No media selected. Yes. We need to be. There we go. Okay. Now this should work. All right. Let's try that one more time. Ooh. Yeah, crying little baby. Nothing like crying little shit. I'm just kidding. I don't care. There we go. This is gonna work. Yes. There we go. Looks nice. Interesting. Looks like a sleek little installer. Alrighty. See, English, seeing, hearing, typing, whatever. English. Use wired connection. Install Ubuntu. Kind of interested in the try Ubuntu, but okay. It's probably just going to start from the, yeah. You don't have a YAML file. There's no Ansible playbook. That'd be pretty cool though. They already have something for an Ansible playbook just to automatically install it. That's pretty remarkable. Default. I could do just the basics, but I actually want to see what all comes with this. So kind of interested in that. Erase and install. Okay. So we are going to go junior dev. Ubuntu VirtualBox. All right, my super complicated password. All right. Yes, I got that from DistroTube. But there we go. And here we are. We're gonna just watch this. Now if we look at this, it shows us everything that they're doing. Kind of cool. That hasn't changed. Before it was an arrow, but it is what it is. Pretty cool. Well, while I wait on that, I'm just gonna jam out a little bit. Okay. Right. That's annoying. I can't remember something I wrote a while back. I can't remember how it went. Let's take a look at it right now. And it's still going. Good deal. Alrighty. See here, we're good. Oh man, we got a bunch of dogs out there. Alright, let's see what we got here. I'm really interested to see this. To be honest, how am I going to do that? Okay. Can I remove it from... Well, actually, I should be able to do this, right? Yeah, let's see here. Okay. Hold on. I have to shut that down. Force it off. Okay, no problem. So now we are going to come back here. No more of that. Okay. All right, there we go. This is really interesting. Just one second. Okay, there we are. Alrighty. Welcome to Ubuntu 2404 LTS. Pretty interesting. Complete your setup with additional settings and we'll have you up and running in no time. Ubuntu Pro, that's so that you could talk with a technician. Costs you money. Interesting. Don't need it. Help improve? Sure, why not? Okay. I'm not going to have this on. Open App Center. So this is Snap Packs, I believe. Yeah. Okay. All right. These are all the desktops and all the applications. Additional drivers, camera, firmware update. Oh, let's do that. I really want to see this. And if there are no devices found, okay, no problem. Okay. Well, I don't have any, I guess. Huh. Yeah. I do on my Windows machine. Okay. Ramina, good. Shotwell, interesting choice. Software updater, LibreOffice, utilities, disk usage, backups, blah, blah, blah. Probably everything you would want in a normal, distro. Yeah. Honestly, though, it's not aesthetically pleasing to me, really, if I'm being perfectly honest. But let's go to the settings. All right. Well, there's a couple of things that I want to do. Get rid of that, light theme. Ooh, put Mount Fuji up there. All right. Appearance. Display. Nightlight. What is that? I don't know. Don't care. Ubuntu desktop. Show home folder. Remove it. Dock extends to the... Okay. So this, okay. Very good. They should have an icon of some sort right up here or something. I think. Just my... Alright. You can put it on the bottom, except there. Is there any way to include unmounted, show trash, yeah, show volumes, yeah, tiling pop-up, enhance tiling, tile groups, okay. So like this is cool right here, except when you go to put it on the bottom, this should stay here. It should always be on the left-hand side. Putting it on the right-hand side is just stupid. Okay. I don't know what this is. I have no idea. Put it on all displays. I do have two displays, but it wouldn't show it here, I don't think. Because I'm in a virtual machine. Multitasking. Okay, so they have like a lot of different functions in the trackpad, which is very good. And we have desktops. Okay, we already went there. The appearance, this is interesting right here. So let's just open this real quick. The only reason why I know this here, not because I've checked it out, but because I've seen this over the years. This is pretty cool right here. To me, this is cool. If I had a normie desktop, this is exactly how I would have it configured. To change colors like that, I think that's pretty cool. This is Nautilus. Their app store is Snap Packs, I believe. I don't think so. Here's a couple of things that I think I already know. So we have all the feature, productivity, development, all this stuff. Now we'll go to manage, check for updates and blah blah blah. Okay, well, this is interesting, but this is all Snap Packs. Like, you can't choose your own repo in here like you used to be able to do. It's just all, all Snap Packs. I don't know what I feel about that. Now, I'm sure that apt would work if I ran it, right? So let's just do that. Let's see if apt still works. Okay. So apt update. Okay. So it shows so if I said like sudo apt install fetch. Okay. So that still works. Okay. No problem. All right. So we do have apt. Okay. So this isn't like this immutable desktop. Okay, that's all I wanted to know. I was thinking maybe Ubuntu went that direction too, kind of like Fedora Silver Blue or whatever. Okay, very interesting. I don't really want to update any of this. We have Thunderbird, Nautilus, Rhythmbox, bunch of others. Interesting. Now we have like this stuff right here. So this is very much like the Budgie desktop kind of thing, except Raven is a little bit, I think is a little better, I think, as far as like being aesthetically pleasing. Like, this is a huge waste of space to me. Because here you have your system tray, then your whatever you call this, the calendar, and then you have your desktops right here, then you have your menu down here. This is a huge waste of space. I can't. Oh, and not only that, they have, okay, and you have to press that button. I just did. Wow. Okay, whatever. I'm kind of curious because I do not like that left panel. I mean, I do like it, like how it was like during like Unity 7 when Unity 7 first came out. I think it was Ubuntu 14.04. So about 10 years ago exactly. I really liked it then. I don't like it now. So there's that. I just don't like it. So let's go ahead and check this out. I think I'm done with this. I've seen what I needed to see, just to kind of show you that they still don't have a, Ubuntu doesn't really care about its desktop. I think that part is abundantly clear. Now, I'm not going to get into whether or not this is the worst release ever. I don't think it is. Okay, so please don't think that I'm totally hating, but I'm just not impressed. And you know that I hate the GNOME desktop, so maybe I should have chose a desktop that I would like. Maybe. There are some things, some improvements on Ubuntu. For example, they don't use grub, and so from what I understand, the issues with starting Ubuntu up have gotten considerably better, because before, if you just installed 3 desktops on your system, it would stop working. And that was very frustrating. And that didn't happen when I went to Arch Linux. So there's that. So I've already pre-installed and kind of checked out the Unity desktop. So I want to just go ahead and do that. And that did not shut that down. Power off, I said. Okay. Go ahead and shut that off. All right. Now I've already checked this out. I haven't messed with it too much. It's pretty much right out of the box. I might have changed the wallpaper or something, but other than that, I haven't done anything to it. I don't know if I haven't even changed the wallpaper. I notice a lot of screen tearing already, which I noticed that when I first, started using this, and yeah, it's not very good. I just have to say that I don't like this already. The screen tearing is a problem for me. And here's a bunch of I figured out kind of how you switch your themes. They use Cavantum Manager right now to change your themes, which I thought was really interesting. Makes a lot of sense. Here's a bunch of applications that we have right out of the box. Let's see here. We could change the desktop background. We could go with the Aurora Borealis, something that I know a lot about. And here you can change like different themes. So you could make it blue, and then like if you went to files, it should be blue. Yes. So this is where you change this. Okay. I noticed it's got the buttons on this side. One thing that I do notice is they've finally fixed that internal error. Usually they used to have like an internal error as soon as it was installed. And I'm wondering if the screen tearing would be an issue if it was installed on real hardware. I don't know the answer to that. I wish I did. I'm thinking about installing it on real hardware just to see. And just to see if I couldn't, maybe rice it like I did in the past, install compiz and things like that. I'm really interested to see what I could do with this. One thing, though, that is a problem, I'm already noticing that I don't like, is like, I don't like how this panel like slips under the top panel. I don't remember it ever doing that before. I thought it just met up to it. Maybe I'm mistaken. Maybe it did and I didn't notice it. Like I said, I haven't seen this in 10 years. A lot of the same applications come right out of the box, I noticed. And yeah, that's about it. And let's see here. Let's see how we're supposed to adjust. Okay, those are the settings. Okay, here's the appearance. Okay, so the icon size gets adjusted here. Okay, I gotcha. All right. that's about it. I mean, to the Unity desktop, again, there's a little screen tearing, but I'm not sure that 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 may be something to do with my virtual machine. I'm not positive. So anyway, anyway, that's pretty much. I just thought it would be fun to check this desktop out, and I just thought it would be a hoot, as we say. I thought that it was a worthwhile video to make, just to kind of show and see, some of the development that's been going on with Ubuntu. I still won't like it, but I don't have to like it, do I? Nothing says I have to like this. So there you have it. So, what do I think? So, again, I think you can check out this video if you want to know what I have against the GNOME developers. The Ubuntu developers, I don't have anything in particular against them. I was a little miffed because I was really looking forward to trying out Unity 8, and then they just shit-canned the whole project for GNOME. They just, one day, just decided they weren't going to do it anymore and that they weren't interested. And wow. They just decided they weren't interested. And I just thought, wow, okay. Anyway, that's ancient history. And so, if I'm really honest, and somebody says, what's the first distro I should try? Well, I would say probably Ubuntu would be in the conversation. Even if I know that you're not going to totally like it for very long, it gives you a starting place, right? And so you'll use Ubuntu until you don't like it anymore, and then you'll move on and do, once you've learned kind of the Linux philosophy and things like that, you can go on to other distros and you'll be able to get along just fine. If I'm honest, Ubuntu taught me to solve a lot of problems. And so when I went to Arch, it was very easy to find a home because I didn't have the same problems that I had in Ubuntu. So there's that. There's that. Anyway, this is pretty much my video, I guess, for right now. But anyway, I'm going to be doing regular live streams. I think probably next week I'm going to be taking a look at either Slackware or Nixos. I haven't decided yet, but either way, it's going to be a bang-up video. So anyway, without further ado, everybody just take care of yourselves, and I'll see you later. All right. Bye.